Welcome to Dreams Onyx. Today we're stepping inside the premium junior suite with a tropical view, and trust me, this one is absolutely stunning. Let's take a look around. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. So let's start with the big picture. This is a premium junior suite, which gives you a generous amount of space and is located near the newer section of this resort. Now let's talk about the bathroom, because this is where things get really nice. You've got a completely enclosed water closet, one of my favorite things if you're a regular on this channel, a generous sized double vanity with all of the included toiletries that you may need, and a massive walk-in shower complete with rain head. The vanity is well lit, like I said, with double sinks, no fighting for mirror space, and I mentioned those premium toiletries are fully stocked. Walking in, the first thing you'll notice is how open and airy the space feels. You will either have a king bed or two queens in the premium level junior suite. There's plenty of storage with the wardrobe and drawers, plus a dedicated work desk if you need to sneak in a little bit of productivity. There's also a seating area that gives you a nice spot to wind down, and the overall flow from the entryway to the patio just makes everything feel cohesive and intentional. And one of the best things is the way that you can fully close off both the wardrobe and bathroom area from the main room. If you're enjoying this tour, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps more travelers find this content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time so you never miss a room or resort tour. Again, I mentioned you will have either a king-size bed, or in this room there are two queen beds, and the only way to get queen beds is to book a premium level junior suite. These standard junior suites will have two doubles, so make sure you keep that in mind when booking. Oh, and speaking of booking, I am a travel agent, and if this suite or Dreams Onyx or any other resort are calling your name, I would love to help you make it happen. Just click the inquiry form in the description box below, and let's start planning your getaway. And over here we have the mini bar. I just showed you the coffee and tea station, a must-have in a room, and you've got a selection of beverages, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. And just across from the mini bar is your small seating area, sofa, and sofa table here. Just another quick view of the room before we head out to the patio. And if you are in a ground floor room and concerned about safety, most rooms in the Dominican Republic will offer this extra latch. And on the patio, you'll have this beautiful tropical view, your very own jacuzzi, seating area, and dedicated lounge chairs to soak up the sun. And that is everything inside the premium junior suite tropical view. If you enjoyed this tour, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because I'm dropping a full tour of the 2-bedroom family suite very soon, perfect for families or groups who want all the luxury and even more space. I'll have that linked here once it goes live, and I'll see you in the next one.